It's okay to fix things in post. It's part and parcel of photography, and trust me, everyone does it. So in this video, we bring you the top 5 photo editing apps that would help you spice up your images with a few simple clicks. Welcome to the camera universe. Let's get started. So for this video, I'm going to be using the OnePlus 8T because of course I cannot afford a OnePlus 9 Pro. But all of the apps that I mentioned here today in this video are available on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store. So to begin with, our first app on the list is Photoshop Express. Now the name might sound heavy, but the app, not so much. Though the name Photoshop might sound very heavy and complicated when it comes to image editing, but Photoshop Express is a pretty straightforward and it's fairly simple to use the app. Its minimalist interface packed with essential features puts most of the things that you need right on the main screen. It comes with a variety of predefined effects, autofix options to automatically fix saturation, contrast and exposure all by itself. It also comes with some advanced features like noise reduction to reduce grain and noise, and also an image rendering engine to handle higher and larger resolution files such as panoramas, etc. Yes, it also supports RAW. Remember kids, always shoot RAW. Next up on our list is Snapseed by Google. Now Snapseed has been around for quite some time now, and it has a couple of good reasons behind it. Firstly, it's an app by Google, so it's safe to assume that it's a pretty rock solid editor. It is also one of the earliest and most robust editing app during the time of its launch, and it still has remained somewhat like that. It was also one of the first apps to bring in RAW support and RAW editing features. But overall, Snapseed has gotten you covered with all of the basic and a few advanced features. It does have a few filters and presets and lets you control them too, along with everything that one would need to properly color correct an image, remove unwanted objects, tweak the exposure and try and create a feel in the photo. But last but not the least, it lets you add a wide variety of beautiful texts in your photos. It's a very simple feature but a much needed one. Hence Snapseed is still one of the most simplistic preferred photo editing app out there. Next up on our list is VSCO photo and video editing app. For as long as Instagram has been around, so has been VSCO. It has been one of my most preferred photo editing app for a very long time now. The thing that separates VSCO from the others are the filter and presets that VSCO brings to the table. The app has to offer hundreds of great looking presets for your photos. You have a preset for every look that you want to imagine or create for your photograph. Most of these looks are created by actual photographers and content creators, which is awesome. Also, VSCO is not entirely free. I mean, you get all the basic editing features that all the other apps have to offer, and even an HSL corrector, which is still a rare feature to find in mobile photo editing apps. But the app comes with a few great looking presets for free, while you have to subscribe to VSCO X to get all of them for a very nominal price. They do give away a few presets for heavy discounts or absolutely free every now and then. Next on our list is PicsArt Photo Editor. Now PicsArt hands down is one of the most preferred and most used photo editing app with over 500 million downloads. It is safe to say that if you combine all the features of all the photo editing apps mentioned in the video, PicsArt will have all of those and even some more. No, way more features. You have pretty much everything that you want to do with a photograph in PicsArt. From tweaking the exposure to removing backgrounds and creating a double exposure photo, PicsArt has got you covered. PicsArt was free for the longest of time, with now some ads being introduced inside the app and some features made to be unlocked with some in-app purchases. But still, PicsArt is definitely one of the most robust photo editing apps that you could lay your hands on. PicsArt is great, but my personal choice would definitely be Adobe's Lightroom because of the simplicity and the ease of use. I've stopped using Lightroom on my PC ever since I've installed it on my smartphone. It is just the same with exclusion of a few extra features that I can let go as compared to the desktop version. It is easily my personal favorite because Lightroom has the right amount of features for my taste, whereas PicsArt is a tad bit too overloaded and might be overwhelming for some users. I almost never end up using everything that PicsArt has to offer, but on the other hand, I use every single feature that Lightroom has to offer. If you are well versed with the desktop version of Lightroom, editing on the app on your phone will simply be a breeze. But yes, Lightroom does come with a subscription plan, although if you choose not to subscribe to it, most of the features are available for free except a few. So these were my top 5 favorite photo editing apps that I use most of the times. Let me know which one did you like most and which one do you prefer using in the comments below. Also, our website is up at thecamerauniverse.com. We're gonna post a lot of articles and blogs there, so make sure you check that out and let us know ki kaisa hai. Till then, subscribe, like, share, click the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Oh, Michael. Okay. So in this video we bring ये खिड़की बंद कर देना चाहिए. So in this video we bring the top 5 apps. So in this video, yes it also yes. Oh fuck, मैं अटक गया हूँ yes पे. ये okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh fuck, मैं रुक गया हूँ यहाँ पे. They do give